Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and today I'm going to show you how to change the straps on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to change your straps on your watch, first you will need to remove old ones, and to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each side of the watch you have this button right here and right here. And basically what we need to do is to press on one of these buttons, and once you press on it you will be able to pull out the strap like this. Same from the other side, you press on the button and just pull out the strap. And here we have our watch, our straps separated, and let's say you get your new straps and you want to attach them. It's quite simple. You simply grab the watch, grab the straps, and then you take the strap, you insert it at the angle like this. I don't know if you can tell, but it's not completely straight, it's like that, and you just push it in, it will click in, and once it does, it means it's gonna hold. So like this, basically. So you take it like that, and then push it in. Sometimes it has a lot of you need to put more strength into it, but once it clicks on, the straps will hold. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.